A neural network is a fascinating system designed to learn patterns and make intelligent predictions from data. It draws inspiration from the human brain, using layers of interconnected nodes that process information step by step. When data enters the network, it first passes through an input layer where every feature becomes a numerical signal. These signals then move into hidden layers, where neurons apply weights and biases to adjust their importance. Each neuron uses an activation function to decide whether its signal should continue to the next layer. This process allows the network to capture complex relationships that simple models could never fully understand. As the signals travel deeper, the network begins to recognize patterns such as shapes in images or meanings in text. During training, the network compares its predictions to the correct answers and calculates an error value. To improve, it uses backpropagation, an algorithm that adjusts weights to reduce this error over many iterations. With enough examples, the network gradually learns which features matter most and which can be ignored. This learning process transforms raw data into meaningful insights that power technologies like voice assistants and recommendation systems. Imagine teaching a child to identify animals by showing thousands of pictures and correcting mistakes each time. Neural networks learn in a similar way, refining their understanding until they can classify or predict with remarkable accuracy. They do not rely on fixed rules, but adapt continuously, making them incredibly versatile for countless applications. From detecting fraud in financial transactions to enabling self-driving cars, their impact is everywhere around us. Neural networks represent a powerful approach to problem solving, turning streams of numbers into decisions that shape modern life. Their ability to learn from experience makes them one of the most transformative innovations in technology today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.